In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Zoho Mail. Filters in Zoho Mail are a fantastic way to manage and organize your emails, especially if you're someone who receives a lot of emails daily. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to set up these filters to better handle your inbox efficiency and ensure that you don't miss any important emails. First, let's head over to Zoho Mail. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Once you're there, sign in with your Zoho account credentials. You'll be directed straight into your inbox. This is your control center, where you'll organize all your incoming and outgoing emails. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll find the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu of various settings options you can customize to better suit your emailing needs. From this menu, locate and click on the Filters option. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to specify rules for how your emails are managed. Next, you'll see a button labeled New Filter. Click on this to start creating your filter. You'll be prompted to enter a filter name. Think of a clear and descriptive name for your filter. This name will help you quickly identify what this particular filter does in the future. Once you've named your filter, you'll need to choose a condition type. This allows you to specify the criteria for emails that this filter will apply to. Common conditions include the sender's email address, specific words in the subject line, or even particular phrases within the email body. Choose the condition that best suits your needs. After selecting the condition type, you'll fill up the conditions according to your chosen criteria. For instance, if your filter is to catch emails containing invoice, you'll enter invoice as a specific word. It might be helpful to consider all the possible variations or additional keywords that pertain to this condition to make your filter as effective as possible. Once your conditions are set, it's time to select the actions. This defines what you want Zoho Mail to do with emails matching your specified conditions. You could choose to move these emails to a certain folder, tag them with a specific label, or even mark them as read. Select the action that aligns with how you want your filter to operate. Finally, with all these selections made, click on the Save button. This saves and activates your filter, and it will automatically manage your emails based on the criteria and actions you've defined. That's it! You've now successfully set up a filter in Zoho Mail. These filters will help keep your inbox organized and ensure you're always aware of important emails. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.